So OnePlus is about to shock us all. The OnePlus 12 is coming with the best-in-class BUE-X1 display and Qualcomm's latest 8 Gen 3 silicon, and it is the first phone to surpass 2 million plus score in Antutu benchmark. The Xiaomi 14 Pro is like 1.8 or 1.9, that too with the stable software, but the OnePlus 12 initial score is still in testing phase, went even more than 2.1 million, which is fantastic. Just cannot imagine what the final scores will be. The interesting part is the silicon supports Unreal Engine 5 Lumen and got better ray tracing, so in terms of gaming this might give a tough fight to the A17 Pro. The Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 is still based on 4nm TSMC process and got single codecs X4, 5 codecs A720 and 2 codecs A520. Now DCA says that the OnePlus 12 will have latest iteration of the new Tiangong cooling system with a massive heat dissipation chamber, so it is gonna run a lot cooler than other devices. Some camera specifications: so there's Sony IMX966 main, Sony IMX581 super wide, and OE64B telephoto sensor, the base scope lens on top, which can do 6x lossless and 120x software zoom. That is gonna shoot fantastic photos and videos, I'm sure. First, we have a 6.83-inch screen on the front. The OnePlus 11, 10, 9 and 8 had side hole punch selfie, but this time the OnePlus 12 is coming with a center hole punch selfie shoot. Raise an alert slide on the left and App Blaster is on the top. This how the OnePlus 12 is gonna look in front of the Samsung S23 Ultra, so it's taller and got vibrant and sharp colors which look great. Now this BUE-X1 panel got 2K resolution, is powered with Oppo P1 display chip and got brightness higher than 2600 nits, which is like really bright, is power efficient, and the color sharpness are better than the S23 Ultra as seen in these images coming in from China. So no doubt it's gonna be a very powerful device. OnePlus is going all out this time, and the OnePlus 12 is a must-wait flagship phone. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.